How to change forgotten password on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram account. Here we go. Here you can see that I'm logged into my Instagram account. Now at the bottom you can find different options. Tap on the option of your profile. Now your profile appears. At the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Go to the option of settings. Now over here you will find different options. Open the option of security. Now tap on the option of password. To change the password you will need to type in your current password. So as I have forgotten my password, how to recover it? For that you have to log out of your Instagram account first of all. So just log out of your Instagram account. After you log out of your Instagram account, tap on login. Now you will need password, so tap on the option of forget password. Now here you have to type in your email or username to find the account, or also you can select this option of search by mobile number instead. Here I'm gonna just enter my username. Tap on find account. Now you will receive reset password mail from Instagram through your email address that is linked with your Instagram account. So close this and open your Gmail. Here I'm gonna open my Gmail. Now at the top you can see that Instagram has sent the reset code. Just open it. Tap on reset your password option. Now type in new password for your Instagram account. In the case you want to get log out of other devices, tap on this circle, log out of other devices option, and after you are done, tap on continue. And here you can see that I just logged into my Instagram account by resetting password. This is how you change forgotten password on Instagram. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.